What's up, YouTube? Munes here. Today we're gonna try something new. You know, usually the boys and I were doing a lot of car stuff, a lot of traveling, hikes, all that stuff, and we decided we're gonna start taking some content and just put it up for fun and everything. So today we're actually doing a downpipe install and a stage 2 tune on my F90 M5 Competition. So we're gonna be doing a lot of footage on that. We'll do a little before and after. Show you some clips of the install, and we'll go from there. So over here at my buddy's shop, Carlo's Tires, over in Philadelphia, PA. He services all my cars, everybody's cars in the area. Works on a lot of BMWs, Benzes, Ferraris, Lambos, Bentleys, 911s, really anything you need, honestly. Any Northeast area, this is the place to go. We got my buddy's X5 diesel over here, got the RS, got the truck out today. We got the other X5 over there, and then inside we got the M5 and the M3. Let's go check that out. All right, so the man, the myth, the legend, Arthur. I'll make sure I put his shop info down below for you guys. So where are we at now with the install?
Well, we're going to take this hopefully to a couple events in the near future. We've got the primary cats out right now. These are the replacement downpipes. We're going to get the secondaries out in a few minutes. Try and button everything up. We're going to swap over all the sensors, and hopefully we can make some more power with it. And we're going to try and enter a couple races, some half-mile events with this car. Hopefully Mo can do some driving in it, and go from there. Do some testing, do some tuning.
What kind of tune are we doing on this?
Well, we're going to do a custom tune on this. We're going to have Kevin at LabWorks in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, try and pump as much power as we can out of it. So we work pretty closely with him, and we'll see what happens. I mean, this is the first F90 that I'm doing here at the shop. We've had a couple done before with him as far as tuning wise. So we'll see, man. We'll see what we're doing, what we get at with it, and I was hoping to build the downpipes myself, but with the amount of time we have these days, it's not exactly that easy. But we'll see where we're at with it. We'll do a couple of tricks in the tuning area and try and get some good power out of it. So check back in a few minutes, get the secondaries out, see what happens.
Downpipes are in. Next up, get the tune installed. Gonna go run to a friend's house, get the right adapters and stuff, get the tuning going. Got Itai's supercharged M3 here. Just got a new lip. Came out pretty good. Thing's a sleeper. All done. Carlo's tires. Swap cars over here. There's Arthur in the M5. I'm in his X5 diesel. We got Oren behind us in his. Off to get the right cabling for the laptop and stuff so we can tune it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we got Sammy in the car. He's running up the street. We're gonna do a couple drive-bys for you guys. He's gonna do some downshifting and then a little bit of pulls, but nothing too crazy. Let's see where he's at. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up the video right here. You made it this far. Highly suggest you subscribe, like the video, everything, and we're going to let the downpipes break in a little bit, and then from there, we'll get more footage of it. We'll do some, more